I'm Jochie Bredenan from Hartbeespoort, Bonsmaras in Namibia. One of the questions I'm asked most often is how we develop our bulls, specifically how we prepare and condition them for our annual auction. At Hartbeespoort, we breed medium frame, early maturing and easy fleshing bulls that are built to perform in the real world. Because we sell our bulls as 3-year-olds, we have the luxury of time. We allow them to develop naturally on our natural grazing with phosphate supplement during summer and urea as a non-protein nitrogen and molasses for energy during the winter. We believe the best test of a bull is the land itself. Our policy is that for the final 6 weeks before an auction, our bulls receive no supplements at all. They remain on natural grazing only. We choose to spend very little time and money on bull preparation and conditioning. Why? Because we know our customers and the tough areas these bulls are heading into. Our clients don't want a bull that has been pampered. In fact, conditioning isn't even in their vocabulary. They want a bull that is fit, fertile and ready to work hard. A bull they can offload straight from the truck and move directly into a breeding group of cows. This is exactly what we deliver. Bulls that are ready to work from day one. This is the Hartbeespoort way. Our auction is on Saturday, the 23rd of May 2026 at 11:30 on the farm Hartbeespoort. We hope to see you there.